Here's a little preview on what's expected for your final assignment. It's just an example. You can do variations, of course, once you go through the criteria. But basically, we've got a main character here, represented by the green box, that will drop and land on the ground, and then be able to move right with the right arrow key and left with the left arrow key, but only when it's on the ground. It will be able to shoot bullets upwards, and these red boxes here are the targets, and they happen to be moving horizontally. You don't necessarily need to move them the same, but they do need to be moving. And we will have animation. When I hit preview, you'll see how this works out. So the main character animates when he walks left and right. The targets have a little bit of animation as they fly by, and the idea is to try to hit them with the bullets. I have attached the bullets to the X key, and anytime I hit one of the targets, I get a score, and if I get 3, I go to a new scene with a message. So let me just go back here, rewind. I also want you to put your name in the top left and create the score and the display for the score in the upper right. So you can see we start with 0, of course. And if I shoot a bullet by hitting my X, my score goes up by 1 every time I hit 1. And I got 2 with the 1 bullet that time. So you can see here that I have a number of actors, and you can quickly go through these. These are what's required. The one with my name, which will be the name at the top. This one over here will be the score display. There's an invisible wall at the top to catch the bullets because we are setting the movie to wrap, and I don't want the bullets coming back up through the bottom. So you will set an invisible barrier at the top to destroy the bullets. The ground, of course. The main actor, the hero. The target. The you-win display for when you get to the second scene. And I believe that covers everything here. We've got our ground, bullets, target, and display text boxes. You'll turn this in to me when it's finished. You have till the last class to do this, of course. So again, this is just one example that addresses the criteria. We have a little bit of gravity. We have your name in a box. We have a score in another text display. Hero moves right and left with animation and has a still position when no key is pressed. X key will shoot bullets. And if you score 3 or better, the scene changes to a new scene. And that's your final assignment.